Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to perform 4 exercises for abs, and all the equipment I'm using is all DIY. Okay, before we go to exercise proper, please do some warm-up exercises, guys. Okay, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Number 1 exercise is vertical knee rise, and this is my DIY power abs workout, and it's made of steel and wood. If I have time, I'm going to upgrade this one. Okay, do this, guys, for lower abs. And number 2 exercise, Abdominal Wheel, and this is my DIY. It's made of sprocket from a bike. Okay, do as many as you can. Remember, guys, no pain, no gain. Okay, for the beginner like me, for first set you can do 10. For the second set you can do 15. For the third set you can do 20 repetition. Okay, so for beginner, you will do this roll by using your knees. Third exercise is a dumbbell side bends. I'm using 15 kg DIY dumbbell, guys. The target here is this side. Okay, do this for 10 for first set, then do it again for 15 for the second set, and do this for 20 reps for the third set. Okay, I rarely do abs workout, guys, because I'm suffering from muscle pain whenever I do this exercise. And for number 4 exercise is hanging knee rise, and this is my DIY. If you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.
Pag nagbago isip niya.